Asteroids that could hit Earth 2025 to 2030. The real threat from space. Earth has always been vulnerable to cosmic impacts. 66 million years ago, an asteroid wiped out the dinosaurs. But what if the next big impact happens in our lifetime? NASA and space agencies worldwide are tracking thousands of near-Earth asteroids, and some of them have a chance, however small, of hitting our planet between 2025 and 2030. Could we stop them in time? Or are we on the verge of another extinction-level event? Stay with us as we uncover the asteroids that could pose a real threat to Earth in the near future. The reality of near-Earth asteroids. Every day, Earth is bombarded by small space rocks, but most burn up harmlessly in the atmosphere. However, some asteroids are large enough to survive and cause catastrophic damage. These are called potentially hazardous asteroids, or PHS. NASA currently tracks over 2,300 of them, and every year, new ones are discovered. How NASA tracks asteroids. NASA uses NEO, Near-Earth Object Surveys, including the Pan-STARRS telescope, NEOWISE, and the Vera-C. Rubin Observatory to detect new asteroids. The DART mission in 2022 proved we could deflect an asteroid by crashing a spacecraft into it. But what if we don't see one coming in time? The top asteroids that could hit Earth 2025 to 2030. Now, let's take a closer look at the most concerning asteroids that could impact Earth between 2025 and 2030. Asteroid 2001 would be possible impact 2025 size 260 meters, almost the size of the Eiffel Tower. Speed 55,000 kilometers per hour, 34,000 miles per hour. Risk level low, but being closely monitored. If it hits, would create a blast 30 times stronger than the Hiroshima bomb. NASA's response. Scientists are using radar tracking to refine its orbit. Current estimates show it may pass uncomfortably close to Earth. Asteroid 2010 RF-12, possible impact, 2026 size, 8 meters. Bus-sized, relatively small. Risk level. Highest probability of any known asteroid to hit Earth in 2026, till the 5%. Expected impact zone. Unknown. Could burn up or explode in the atmosphere. NASA's response. If it enters Earth's atmosphere, it will likely explode like the Chelyabinsk meteor in 2013, which injured over 1,500 people. Asteroid 2007 feet 3, possible impact, 2027 size, 340 meters, as large as the Empire State Building. Energy on impact, equivalent to a 2,700 megaton bomb. Risk level, very low probability, 0.0%, but large enough to cause a regional disaster. If it hits, would create a crater over 5 kilometers wide and could trigger global climate effects. NASA's response. Scientists are considering gravity tractor methods to slightly alter its orbit. Asteroid 2019 PDC, possible impact, 2029 size, over 300 meters. Speed, 19 kilometers less, 43,000 miles per hour. Expected close approach. April 2029, may pass closer than some satellites. If it hits, mass destruction on a city-wide scale. NASA's response. 2029 is considered the most critical year for asteroid tracking. The asteroid Apophis will also pass by Earth in April 2029, missing us, but only barely. The 2029 Apophis flyby, a wake-up call. The most terrifying asteroid encounter of the decade will happen in April 2029, when the asteroid 99,942 Apophis will pass by Earth at a distance of just 31,000 kilometers, closer than our geostationary satellites. What if Apophis hit Earth? Apophis is 370 meters wide and could cause a continent-wide catastrophe if it impacted. NASA says it will miss us this time, but what about in future orbits? Scientists are concerned that its 2029 flyby might alter its orbit, increasing the risk of future impacts in 2036 or beyond. Can we stop a killer asteroid? If a large asteroid were on a collision course with Earth, do we have the technology to stop it? The answer is maybe. Current asteroid defense strategies. Kinetic impact. DART mission success. Crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid to nudge it off course. Gravity tractors. Using a spacecraft's gravitational pull to alter an asteroid's trajectory over time. Nuclear deflection. Blowing up a nuclear device near an asteroid to change its direction, not to destroy it. NASA's Planetary Defense Initiatives, the NEO Surveyor mission, launching in 2027, will find asteroids we haven't discovered yet. The Asteroid Redirect mission aims to test asteroid deflection on a larger scale. The threat of asteroid impacts is real, but thanks to modern technology, we are more prepared than ever before. However, many space rocks are still undiscovered, and as history has shown us, even small asteroids can cause massive destruction. Will we be able to prevent the next big impact? Or will Earth one day face a disaster like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs? Do you think NASA should invest more in asteroid defense? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates about space and science. Until next time, keep looking up.